There you go, guys. Here we go. Flooding. I hoped it wouldn't happen, but it's happening. Right. Well, here we go, guys. Kitchen's flooded. Last time I took out the water pump, but I'm ready this time. I've got a hacksaw. I'm just going to hacksaw the plastic pipe and take it out quick. It gets too near. Sorry, I know you can't see anything, guys, but took the circuit boards out the fridge and the freezer, the chest freezer, so it doesn't matter if they fall in the water, they're going to be alright when I put a dried circuit board back. It's a disaster again, guys. It's the worst case scenario. The wind's very bad now, and we've still got an hour before it's fully over us. God knows what it's like that way. Can't believe this again, guys. We flooded out. Good job I took the circuit boards out the fridge and the chest freezer. Looks like we're going to have a good Christmas. I'm in the front room, up to the knees in water, and they're serving food. You can't see my hand. So, serving food, dried fish, lovely. I hate dried fish. So that's going to be that for now. And when the water goes down a bit and I can charge my battery again, I'll show you what the damage is outside, if there is any. There should be, because I don't want it to be, but what I'm saying is the wind's been very strong. So thanks for watching, guys, appreciate it, and we'll see you in a mo with the last bit. Well, guys, it's been a rough couple of days. I've just got up and started cutting the trees down. It's starting raining again. I can't stress enough, and it's, I don't know, maybe it's because of my age now, and I don't want this to sound miserable and blah blah blah. I'm relaxed, guys. This is my voice. I'm sorry if it bores you then, you know. You really, really, really need to do your homework on the Philippines, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, anywhere you want to go. Because if you don't, you could end up you could end up failing before you even start. You really could. And then if you manage to, let's say things aren't going right, endure the time you've got there, it's not going to be the fantasy I think you were looking for. You know, when it comes to women as well, if you're in your late 50s, like me, definitely like me, 60s, don't get married, guys. Now, if you come to the Philippines, it's been made more and more difficult, I don't know why, to stay here unless you get a retirement visa. You can see they're tidying up after the typhoon. It went on for ages, guys. They said it was going to start slowing down after 4. It just got worse. The flood. The house, I don't know if you can see. It went up as high as that first settee again. These have had it. These have had it. I managed to get the electronic board out of this. I think it'll work again. Again, it was flooded quite high. This was floating, it wasn't flooded. But I took the board out of that. As you can see, it's still out. So we've got no electricity. I've been told we might not have any electricity for 1.5 to 2 weeks. I told you, Christmas is coming. This Christmas is going to be really crap. But not if you're a Filipino, because it doesn't matter what happens to these people. I love them so much. They're happy. They're happy. I mean, next door here, the trees have come down. They're just sawing them. They've been laughing this morning, joking. It's amazing. Anyway, I'll have a walk up there when it stops raining. We'll see what's happened to the really poor part behind there. Here you are, guys. Do you see any upset people here? No. None. Oh, happy. Morning. They're alive. Look at the mess, guys. That always comes down. We've more or less lost around 5 roof panels. The other ones that were leaking to start with have got bigger holes. Looks like it's mostly trees that's come down this time. It's funny, I told next door, I said, you know, this is supposed to be bad. Morning. Shouldn't you cut the branches off them trees, the ones that's come down I showed you first off? Oops. No, it'll be okay, cut your trees. Not so much. Life goes on. And these are family, by the way, guys, so I've already asked if they're alright. Hello, my little sweetie. Hello. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. But it's life in the Philippines, guys. And there's some parts, bless them, that's worse than us. His life's been lost. There's Tintin, look. Just cover the lens because there's a kid, the family, but you can't video kids anymore. Morning, morning. I'll not say good morning. There's nothing good about it. See, they've lost lots of stuff again, but it's only stuff. You know, as long as they can. Morning. These are all you Kims, right? They're all family. All these here are family. Good morning. Sorry, I've said good morning, haven't I? They're not you, Kim. So we'll have a look behind, guys, but from the looks of it, it doesn't look too bad compared to oh my god, the last couple of hours, I'm not joking, it was wow. The wind, the noise, you know. How did it go again, Chris? You have to laugh a little bit, aren't you? If you didn't, you'd cry. These are going to have a good Christmas, I'm telling you. They do. Can you imagine this happening on a regular basis in the West? People would be losing their hair, they'd be pulling it out. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. There's nothing flattened. Honestly, the strength of that wind, there should be... I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm pleased. Very pleased. But if you think about it, the last typhoon we had allegedly wasn't as bad as this one. And houses were flattened here. I use the word house loosely, of course. Oh, right, look. You can't really tell, but there is panels missing from that. There's just so many kids around here, I've got to be careful not to get them on camera. So there you go, that's it guys. Not good, but it could have been a lot worse. Oh my God. I've always said to Mel, I don't mind living simple, but them days have gone now guys. I don't want to live like this anymore. You know, these are all just thoughts, you know. And bear in mind to all the trolls, they should know by now, but if you give a stupid comment, I've got to review it before I allow it. So I just block you. So you're wasting your time. And it doesn't bother me, because I read the first couple of words. You know, after the first couple of words what the rest of the sentence is going to be. I just block. But I love you all. And can I just thank all my subscribers, all my support. I do love you all. I know it's said a lot by bloggers, and some of them make me cringe. Maybe I'm making you cringe now, but I do. I appreciate you. And all the kind words, you know, on the last video. I so much appreciate it. Remember guys, if you don't watch this video through to the end, you're not helping the channel. And lastly, can I just ask a big favor? If you live in the Naga area and you're an expat, can you just drop me a line and tell me if you've been having regular visits from the police? I'd appreciate it. But until the next time guys, bye.